Are you interested in starting a successful direct-to-garment printing business? Or do you already own a DTG printer, but you want to learn more about how to get the best possible results? Then we have something specially designed for you, our online course, DTG Printing Fundamentals. We noticed that it can be quite challenging to gather all the bits and pieces of knowledge that you need to know to successfully run your DTG printing business. That's why we decided to create the DTG training we wish we had when we start our careers in this business. That's why we turn our knowledge into 3 hours and 45 minutes of video content and added further material like articles, checklists, documents, and image material, and put it all together in an online course. We talk in great detail about each step of the DTG printing process, the pretreatment, the printing, and the curing. We will give you some ideas on how to optimize the process in order to achieve high quality results and how you can do quality control. And we want you to be able to help yourself when you run into quality issues and print problems. We will also talk about everything that influences the printing processes. For example, the garments you use or which colors you can actually print. But we decided to go even deeper than that. Did you know that you can never make a bad image look good when printed? That's why we also talk about designs and what you need to know to get fantastic prints. We also take a look at the business side of things, who your potential customers are, why they can be so different, how you can organize your workflow, and how to automate your processes. What you will not learn in this course are step-by-step instructions for your printer models. We are giving you the recipe for DTG printing, not the user manual. But all these different machines operate in a similar way. The underlying principles always stay the same. To help you optimize your process and eliminate problems, we are highlighting tests during our videos with this symbol and explain them in great detail. Additionally, to run a DTG printer, there is a lot of information that you should get from your suppliers. So, if during the course you see a symbol like this, that means you should get some piece of information from your supplier. We put this all together in a checklist that you can download. Now is the part of every promo video that the presenter says something like, and if you buy now, you got this extra bonus material for free. Well, this is not really our style, but I have to mention that we actually have some bonus material for you. The first one is a short ebook called 10 Steps to Get Your Production on Track. We know that there is a lot of information in this course, and to help you put the theory into action, we sorted everything we talk about in the course into a step-by-step instruction you can follow to get your production up and running. The second ebook, 5 questions to ask before buying your DTG printer. So, if you are thinking in buying a DTG printer or investing in this technology, we have a few suggestions on what you should look out for. The course is 100% online and self-paced. You can study and watch the content at any time you want. And if you have any course-related questions, you can always get in touch with us. This course is made for absolute beginners or experienced users at the same time. We try to make this course accessible for everyone that wants to learn the big picture of DTG printing or tweak his existing knowledge. And if you go to learn.dtgmerch.com, you can see all the lessons of the course and also watch some free previews. We are looking forward to see you there.